Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the AFC24 cards not found error. If you are facing this error, it means that the anti-cheat is unable to verify the files, and this guide will help resolve this. First, make sure that the anti-cheat is running on your PC. To do this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys together in the Task Manager window. Go to the Processes tab and check if anti-cheat exe is running. If you do not find it there, you need to reinstall the anti-cheat. Go to the anti-cheat installation directory. This is usually C program files Electronic Arts anti-cheat in this folder. Run the anti-cheat installer exe as administrator. If the anti-cheat was running already, you can try reinstalling it as well. Open the game installation directory, which is usually C program file storage and games for 24 in this directory. Run the installer anti-cheat exe to reinstall the anti-cheat. The next step is to repair your game files through Origin. Open the Origin launcher and go to My Game Library. Right-click on FIFA24 and select Repair. Origin will now scan your game files for any corrupted data and attempt to repair them. You can also try updating your graphics drivers. To do this, visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics cards such as NVIDIA or AMD and download the latest drivers. Once the drivers are downloaded, install them and restart your PC. Sometimes your antivirus might interfere with the anti-cheat. If you have an antivirus or a firewall running on your computer, try disabling them temporarily. If you are still facing the error, restarting your PC may help. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.